An income tax is a tax imposed on individuals in respect of the income earned by them and is charged on their annual income. Employees must mandatorily submit all the documents for the timely processing of income tax. So let's get started. From the payroll module, navigate to the payroll input section and click on income tax. On this page, select the employee whose income details you want to override. The page will display the various components of the employee's income tax for the financial year. You can also view the total annual salary and the total ad hoc salary amount for the selected employee. The income from the previous employer tab will allow to add the previous employer income details if the employee has joined the organization in the middle of a financial year. Double-click each cell to add the required details. The application calculates income tax, surcharge, and CESS automatically based on the values entered. Once done, click Save. Please note that while editing or modifying these tabs, you must always ensure to click Save and recalculate to consider the changes made for payroll processing. The exemptions section will allow you to override HRA details submitted by the employee. Also, override LTA exemption amount and click here to update the rent proof info for the employee. Now click Save. The perquisite section will help you to enter the perquisite information. You can see the perquisite component available for the employees, which helps you to enter the details. In the Deductions tab, click on the sections available, like ATC and others, to view and make the changes. The Other Income tab will help you to enter the other income details of the employees. You can double-click here and enter the details to proceed. Similarly, you can use the House Property Income section to update the information in this particular category and click Save. The Regime section helps you to view the regime selected by your employees. You can always come here to change the regime of the employees. If you want to calculate the income tax of that employee in new regime, select New Tax Regime from here, and ensure you don't forget to save. As mentioned earlier, click Recalculate. Finally, in the Results section, you will be able to see the details of the employee's income tax details, which can also be downloaded in Excel format. I hope this video has given you a clear picture of how to view and override income tax components of your employees. With that, we come to an end. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos.